right, let's check out what is here on Friday. Someone had mentioned, hey Rick, I posted an Instagram thing, the 57 Mercedes. They said, I didn't see this car. Well, I don't tell you, you have to go back into YouTube videos and watch it, and you'll get all the info on it. Now, of course, it's not an original 57 Mercedes. What this is, it's a 57 Mercedes Gullwing, and this car is documented. Okay, now hear me out, because this ain't no bullshit. Papers don't lie. This is documented. It is one of only, I think it was, see now you're making me go backwards here. I think it was one of only 400 molds that was ever made off the original body of a Mercedes. I believe so. And a lot of them got destroyed, right? Mercedes didn't want them out there, and they literally went around and destroyed them, believe it or not. This is a Survivor. It's got the paperwork for it. So it is a fiberglass body, but it's using all the Mercedes parts. So I'm kind of going through this again. Door handles are Mercedes. The outside door handles, they're worth like huge bucks. They're probably worth like 1,500 bucks for the pair. Original Mercedes grille, bumpers, headlights, dash components, tail lights, latches. He's even got the factory. Mercedes had a luggage kit you could get back in the day. It sat on the package tray because they're only a two-seater car, like in the back. He's even got the original Mercedes luggage for it. All the original Mercedes glass is used in it. It's all original Mercedes stuff, but the car itself is not, obviously, which we're not arguing. It's all been upgraded, this car. You know, custom-made frame, LS in it. Like, I can't show you everything. The dash is out right now. But, you know, like, this is a car back then. They didn't have AC or any of that, and the windows did not roll down on the doors. They couldn't. This car is equipped with, you know, AC, you know, a heater, power steering. He's got the, you know, he's got the, you can see it down there, the Wizard steering for that. I don't know if I can open this. Sean's got it covered up a bit. Oh, shit. It's got, hang on a second. You guys that aren't watching my videos and then questioning me afterwards. My God, get on it. It's got the LS in there, trim back, 6-speed, 6-speed tranny, you know. You got all the nice coilover suspension in the back with the disc brakes all the way around. Custom one-off made wheels on this car. So, yeah, we're on right now anyway, and now I'm going to jump forward. We are on final fitment on everything, making sure every gap and line is perfect on this car. Because cruising down the road, you ain't going to know it is or not a real Mercedes. I mean, most people are going to say it can't be real because who would drive one? They're worth millions of dollars, right? But this is still, this is one of my projects that I'm very proud of, because this is still, whether or not it's not an original car, it is a huge dollar car. Huge dollar. So we're very happy. So we're doing final fitment on that. Sean's been working on a hood over here. The hood is for a, oh God, not a satellite. Dodge, not a satellite, I forget. I totally forget now. But anyway, some sort of Dodge car. So there we go there. Newer project that came in, 68 Firebird. We're going to be doing full trunk, mini tub, quarters, floors, and that's it. And then the gentleman's going to take it home and he's going to play with it, mechanical wise. Then it will come back and then we'll do the rest of the car, body and paint. Right now, it's just welding. So that's in. That's going to be here for a few months, obviously. So we're going to be taking that all apart. You guys all saw the Ford pickup left. He drove it home, the 48. I followed him. I wanted to make sure he was going to be good and safe because the truck never had insurance on it, right? It was from Saskatchewan, so I couldn't drive it ever. Couldn't even get a permit on it. So, you know, kind of followed him, and he got halfway home. I followed him, and it was good. So let it go, and away we went. And then we got the little Chevy, or the GMC, I should say, pickup. It's scooting over to the body shop here on Monday. So, not a lot of body work. We just got to do this area in here. You know, it's probably a good, it's probably going to, you know, you got to do a little bit where it was welded across there. Just a little bit. We're not getting carried away. Normally, you know, these panels are all factory and they're good. They're good and straight panels, but sometimes you would massage them in and get them 100% perfect with everything. But we're not doing that. This is not that kind of truck. She's leaving the patina look. So I'm going to look for some old red paint I got around here to help her out for money cost because she's on a budget. Do the body work, put it in primer, leave it sit. You got to leave it sit for a little bit. So damn cold out. And then try and put some red base on there, Scotch Brite through it here and there, kind of make it look rough, and then maybe some flat clear, and I don't know, call it a day, right? And then we'll set the engine and transmission back in, and away we go. So that's what's going on there. She's all welded up, doors are on, she's looking good. So it looks like it's a far ways off, but it's really not. Once that's done, engine tranny go in, dry shaft go in, put some exhaust on it, then just bolt the sheet metal back on and start wiring this bad boy. And of course you got to get the brakes, which I'm waiting on, I've ordered. So that's what's happening at the 53 GMC. And then the 72 Buick, roll cage is in. Roll cage is all in. It's got the swing out door bars, obviously. All the dash is back together. Everything's put back on it, lined up. So now it's just a matter of, you know, we took it apart. So I've got a couple little chips here and there in the body. We don't hide that. If you take something apart and you put it back together, it's going to get the odd mark. So we're going to take it over to the body shop also, over to Sean, and he's going to touch up those areas, make sure everything's good, and then it's time to start blocking and painting this. But right now, our weather out here in Chilliwack's a little crazy. Not as crazy as some places, but we got that winter storm. We didn't get no snow. Thank God for that. Keep that shit in the mountains where it belongs. I don't care about snow. I don't want to see snow. Could care less. But it's like minus 14 right now, and with the wind chill, it feels like minus 24. And it's going to be like that for a few days here, and then it's going to go away. So once that's gone, we're going to be painting a 64 Merc. So that'll be good. We'll start with that one first. But yeah, we're getting a few lined up. And the Ford Ranchero went home. Ron was super happy. Thank you, Ron. I'm glad you like it. Should have painted the whole car. Anyway, so that's what's going on. And Sunday Fun Day will be coming up here pretty soon. We'll be back on my shoebox. And that's all I got to say for today. So, hey, it's always a good time and old time. Catch you later.